grow a lot of okra in our gardens, and okra is a summer crop. It's originally from Central Africa. It loves our hot, humid summers. And you can see here there's some okra growing. It's important when you harvest the okra, don't wait too long. If it gets bigger than your finger, it can get really tough. So try to get it when it's about 4 to 5 inches or even less. The smaller okra are also very tender and delicious. But if it gets to be more than 7, 8 inches long, it's going to be really fibrous and unappealing. But please help yourself to our okra. When you're harvesting them, you're going to want some pruners or something, because the stems are very tough and fibrous, and they're going to be hard to break off. So bring your pruners and just kind of clip them, and it'll be a lot easier to harvest the okra. But we do produce a lot of okra here in the summer and fall.